What is an FDA pre-submission? Pre-submissions are an opportunity for you to ask the FDA questions about a future submission that you have planned for a medical device. So it could be a 510(k) submission, it could be a de novo submission, it could even be about an investigational device exemption that you're going to submit for a clinical study of a device. But the purpose of that meeting is to ask questions. You could also ask for email feedback in a pre-submission, but either way, it's about asking questions. Now, you're not going to ask questions about your device. The FDA can't help you design your device. You're also not going to ask the FDA whether they are going to approve your device. They can't review the data in a pre-submission. So any testing that you've done, they can't review all your data and give you a decision on that, whether it's good enough or not. The purpose of the pre-submission is to forge a better testing plan. And I use that word intentionally, the word forge. Think about it. When you forge something, let's say an implant, you're going to heat up a really hard metal to a really hot temperature, and then you're going to hammer it. You're going to hammer it over and over and over again, and you're going to heat it up again, and you're going to hammer it some more, and you're going to do that until you have the material properties you want. That's what we're doing with your testing plan when we submit a pre-submission to the FDA. So whether you call it a Q-sub or a pre-sub, it's an opportunity for you to ask questions about your testing plan. And we recommend using the new PreSTAR format. It's an interactive PDF that the FDA created. It's very similar to their eStar for the 510(k) and de novo and PMA submissions, but it's specific to pre-submissions. So you fill that in, and it gives you an opportunity to ask up to 10 questions in your pre-submission, and this will help you make a better testing plan. You don't want to spend any money on your testing until you've had this. It's all about your questions. So if you're interested in learning more about creating a really good pre-submission, visit our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and we're going to have all kinds of brand new videos on the topic. Also, stay tuned. Later on this year, we're going to be publishing a book called FDA PreSTAR. And the whole book is going to be about pre-submissions.